We believe it's important to share our protocol and what we've learned using this technology in our research, because the participants in these studies are exposed to radiation, and therefore the margin for error is very small. The main advantage of this technique is the accuracy with which the joint motion can be quantified, which allows researchers to pursue questions that otherwise would not be possible.
Before beginning an analysis, position the chair in the biplane imaging volume so that the shoulder to be tested is centered at approximately the point where the biplane X-ray beams intersect. Ask the participant to be seated in a comfortable upright posture with arms at their sides. Adjust the preliminary chair position based on the participant's anthropometrics, the motion to be tested, and the bones to be tracked. And secure a lead-lined protective vest across the participant's torso to cover the abdomen and contralateral shoulder and chest. Turn on the light within the X-ray source of the system, and raise the system until the shadow cast onto the image intensifier is at the level of the participant's axilla. Gently move the participant on the chair within the biplane image volume while watching the shadow on the intensifier. Once the participant's position is set for both systems, keeping the light source on, ask the participant to perform the motion that will be tested during the procedure. The participant's shoulder should remain within the radiographic field. To verify the participant's position in the control room, set the X-ray control panel to low fluoroscopy mode and the pulse generator to a 0.25 second acquisition. Have an assistant